So welcome back, everybody. I'm gonna go out and show you guys. My husband's out right now. I'm feeding. So I got sent home from work today because of the storm that we had going on today. And my husband, he didn't have to work either. He got that notice as of last night. I got stew being made. And we went to Sam's Club and got some more food and stuff for us to get stocked up a little bit. And I just thought I would let you guys know. I got to get my boots on, and then we're going to travel outside, see what all my husband's doing. I know he's trying to feed everybody some stuff, so we'll try to get that, and hopefully this video will go out tomorrow. So stay tuned. Glove on. I feel like I gotta pee, but I'm not going to, because that means I gotta take everything back off. And I don't want to do that. And I know. And it doesn't take my husband all that long to feed. It takes me longer to feed than it does my husband. But all the kitties are here. My husband's out there. We didn't get too much snow, but it's still snowing. And then my husband's son was here. He went up to Sam's Club with us too. We're planning to go out next week bowling, so that will be fun. Maybe I'll record that too if his family doesn't mind it. I'm a little chilly. It's a little chilly out. There's Lancelot's out. I see Bear. Hi guys. Mr. Lancelot, what you doing, boy? Huh? What you doing? What you guys doing in there? Huh? Gonna come and see me? Here comes Bear and Prince. Here they come running. Hi boys. Hi, boys. What's everybody doing? Hi, boys. Zeus. See Miss Jill come out to see. Jack. Come here, Jill. Hi, sweetie. What you doing? You wanna come here? I know you're not used to these gloves, are you? You're not used to the gloves. Here comes Jack. Here he comes. Say the snow's up to your knees, huh, boy? See what happens when you're a short guy, huh? Come here, Jack. I know you're not used to them gloves either. But they keep my hands warm. Yes, they keep my hands warm. And we'll see the girls real quick. They're in there. And we'll see the little girls. See, there's Smile Cow. I see her. Where's Odessa at? I don't see her. Where the heck is she? Odessa! There he is. There's snow on her. Hi. Hi, ladies. What you doing? What you doing? Patsy, quit. Quit being mean. Come here, Snow White. You can come here. Mama pet ya. Come on. Snow White, don't let her bully you around. You quit being mean. I see you, girl. I know you're hungry. husband's feeding everybody some grain. Yeah.
Everybody's been a little shit with the rain.
Yeah?
Work's trying to eat Maverick's bucket. Won't want to come to his bucket, and then can't get him to frickin' go on his own bucket unless everybody forgets. One day you don't feed him any grain.
Right. Well, that's because it's so expensive.
Yeah, you look at the goats, they need hay.
Yeah, everybody does, it looks like. I
The
wouldn't.
horses are all good. They got enough hay for tonight.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah,
I
they,
didn't really pay attention to Cap and Meg, but I know Herc
yeah, and they've
Maverick,
got some.
and they got some.
Yeah.
But I didn't check theirs. They ain't got a whole lot in there. Them, they don't. I might have to give them a little piece. I'm trying to watch the deer too.
Right. Coming through.
It struck me because usually when it's doing this, you don't see deer moving much.
Right.
They wait till the storm's over.
Mm. I had 2 deer run out in front of me this morning. 2 does.
Yeah, that's unusual.
This morning when I was on my way to work.
That just tells me they might have got cold, that's
I know, she's got like snow on top of her.
See what I mean about the snow?
Yeah.
It's blowing like that again.
Yes, from the same direction.
It usually don't blow that way. But now it is for again.
Yeah.
That's why their shit's full of. See, I put their water up there.
Yeah, I seen
You
that.
can see the big hole.
I can't believe it's already amounted to that already.
Already what?
Already has amounted to that already.
Yeah. Yeah, see this shit here, I was given cake to the goat.
That's clear to the top.
Yeah, see there's a few still babies left. I don't know how many, but there's over 10.
Yeah, I see that now.
Even with the ones I gave the horses yesterday. That's the only reason I did, because there's still quite a bit. I'll have to open one of them and do a partial. Cap and Meg.
Yeah.
Or maybe I'll just put another hole in there.
Yeah, I
for
would.
them. They'll eat it.
Yeah.
Because that just tells me they're eating more.
Yep. They're more
Cap
hungry.
and Meg are eating more than Diamond and Jazz or Herc and Maverick.
Right.
Which is hard to believe because fucking Hercules eats a lot
Yeah, he does.
by himself. But I think he slowed up some now that it's cold for some reason. But I think he'll pick back up. As it's cold, stays colder longer.
Right.
Take care of them. And then that witch. Where is she?
She's in there in the corner. You're talking about Ariel.
Oh, hey, and their cow don't even want to go for it.
I know, Ariel. This is like, where's mine? There you go, Odessa.
Try to make it a little freaking spread out.
Yeah. Not try to
Even though
beat.
they're in the hut, there ain't a whole lot of room. But if everybody stayed there on that pile, because she runs Cal off, Cal goes to Odessa.
Yeah.
It's like a chain reacts, see? Because Cal don't want to be that close.
Yeah.
And neither does Odessa, as you can tell. See, she wants to just come back over here. She don't even want to be that close to her. Alright. I don't know if that's going to be enough for either one. Look at Bear out there. He's fucking in the snow trying to find stuff.
Yeah, digging.
I don't think that's enough for either one of them. Maybe the donkeys. I think they might eat the least.
The donkeys, I don't even give them that much. I give them like 3 flakes and that's it.
See, they ate all what I give them.
It's gone?
So, come on, deal. Come on, girl. Right. Right. Okay. Come on. Come on.
You gotta separate it because she bullies him.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Hold on, boys. We'll get you some. Dad's hurrying.
Sometimes she lets him eat with her, but then sometimes she don't. She's a little moody.
Yeah.
Sometimes she gets aggressive with him, and sometimes she don't. Then my dumb butt went and stuck my hand in the water to get some ice out, and then I grabbed this chain and almost froze to my hand.
Oh, geez.
It wasn't too bright.
No. It's like sticking your wet tongue on a
It's
piece
the
of
same
metal.
thing.
You
If I'd
know?
been colder, I'd have been screwed.
Yeah.
You'd have to get some water to get me off. Because if you just rip it off, it's going to rip your freaking...
Skin. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. For sure.
Yeah, there's still over 10 bales, I think, right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's still 12 bales after this.
Okay. I know I slowed way down giving. I only give like a bale and a half in the evening to them.
Yeah, I don't give them much in the morning. You know, I just kind of give them so they got something to eat, but so they eat it all.
Yeah. Because I noticed that
Is
they're
what I've been
eating.
doing.
They're eating it
See, they're
better.
waiting. Okay.
They're eating better now that I'm feeding them less.
Yeah.
I mean, they're eating it all up, is what I'm saying.
Well, it helps because I ain't been giving them much in the morning. So
Right.
by the time you come out here after you get home,
Yeah.
they've cleaned up what I give them.
Sometimes like Herc and Maverick and
Some
then
days they eat more, and other days they eat less.
right.
You can shut that door down and leave it just cracked enough for the cat to get in.
Right. I'm just trying to throw some in there so poor Odessa can eat it. Odessa. That's kind of hard in there with 4 boys, I guess. Still watery stuff there. I'm ready for my stew. Some bread and butter. Sit down in a warm house, watch a movie, call it a night.
I'm glad they are getting along now.
Yeah,
I was worried about Bear being aggressive.
he's not though. He just was just very curious of them, you know.
Maybe try to fix their back slap.
Yeah.
They don't really have nothing breaking the wind much. Actually, you really don't, I guess, on any of them
No.
with that crack around it.
Right.
But theirs is,
Yeah, theirs is covered.
they got the most blockage. You
Black
ain't seen no black shadows, have you?
shadows? No.
Like deer?
No. No. I have not.
Might come out tomorrow night.
I think you should come out in the morning since you've been seeing them the last few days. Just get out there like.
Well, the thing is tomorrow these people will probably be out. I like it better at night because if you shoot on it's dark, not daytime. I like being more discreet. People knowing what I get or got or whatever.
Like John says, nobody around here even cares. Because everybody around here that does hunt is hunting for meat, not trophy or anything like that.
I'm gonna go in now.
I know. Get some stew, some bread and butter. Sit down in a warm house.
He likes that food too.
Oh,
I
good.
gave a can to the cats too because the one I had left, half a can for him was froze.
Oh,
So I just give him one.
yeah.
All right, Max?
Thanks everybody for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till next time. God bless.